Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to review this RO. This RO is from company Convio Neer. This company Convio Neer, it's an India based company. It's relatively a new company in the RO manufacturing, but this company seems to be very promising. The reviews of product from this company are very good on the Amazon site. Okay, and they have their call center, they have wide service network, and most importantly they are offering 1 year warranty on their product. Okay, so everything is as good as any other reputed and the mature brands like Kent and Panasonic, Hindware, LG and Live Pure. Okay, they are also offering just 1 year warranty. Anyways, the most important part about this RO is they are selling it for 6,000 rupees on Amazon. Okay, I'll put the link of this product in the description. You can explore on the Amazon site. Now at this price point, if this RO works up to the expectations as I expect it will, then this is the best value for money product available in the market. Okay, now let's see some of the key features about this RO. So the first thing is the RO. The RO membranes which it has, the company is claiming that RO membrane supports the TDS level up to 3000. Now the second thing is the storage tank. The pure water storage tank is 15 liter. And the third thing is this has few additional filters, the UF and the alkaline filter, and it has a TDS controller also. Okay, now let's see the unboxing. So this is the main carton in which everything came. Now in this mainly there were two items. One was this RO which was in the thermocol packing, and second was this box. Now when you see this RO, this is almost 100% pre-assembled. There is nothing we need to do, only we need to install this tap, and this is the tap which came in this box. Why they did not install this? Because it can break in the transit, and it has two lines, input and the output line. So the raw water will go here, and this is the waste line. Okay, now in this box which all things they have given, you see this is the warranty card, 1 year warranty plus the free coupons. They have given a pre-filter, some pipe also for the connectors for this pre-filter. So these are the connectors, two connectors, input and the out. Teflon tape also to connect these connectors to this pre-filter, plugs and the screws also. Additionally they have given these things. So with the help of these, we can take the extension of the input line from any existing tap. Now with my experience I'm telling you, they have given everything, absolutely everything which is needed to install the RO and make it running. Okay, now I'm going to assemble this pre-filter. Okay, so my pre-filter assembly is almost ready. So this is the housing. You can see this blue washer on top of it. Okay, I'm going to insert this spun filter in it, and this is the cap. You can see I have already fastened these connectors, input and the output connectors. Now I'm going to just tighten this cap on this housing. So the pre-filter assembling is ready, and then I'm going to mount it. So the screws are installed, and we just have to mount this like this. Next is I have to assemble this RO, and assembling the RO means we have to just install this tap, open all these screws at this line. You can see this connector will go inside. Okay, and this washer will go inside, one washer will stay outside. So you can see that I have fastened this tap. This is the plastic nut from the inside which I was talking about. Okay, so I'm done with installing the RO also. Let me quickly show you the connections. So this is the main line. Main line goes into the pre-filter, output of the pre-filter goes into the RO. So this is the input line to the RO, and this is the waste line. So this is the back side of the RO, and these are two placeholders in case if you want to make it wall mount, and they have provided the plugs and the screws for this. I was already having the main line from my previous RO. In case if you don't have the main line, then you can easily create with the help of these which have been already provided in the box. So let's say if you have a dummy connection like this or a tap like this, so you have to remove these and install this extension with the help of Teflon tape. Okay, and whatever you have removed, let's say a tap or the dummy, that you can install here. Okay, and this point, from here you can take the main line for the RO. So in that point you can install this again with the help of Teflon tape, and from here you can take the main line. So we have been using this RO for 5 days. I'll show you the input TDS and also the output TDS. So this is my TDS meter. With this I will test. This is the input line. When you are testing with the TDS meter, you should hold it upright. Don't tilt it, otherwise you will not get the accurate reading. So right now it is showing 0 ppm. So let us see the TDS level. It is saying 107 into 10 ppm. That means 1000 change. That's the input TDS. Now let's see the RO output TDS. So right now you can see it is 0. So here you can see it is 41 right now. So one thing I want to share, initially when I started using the RO, the TDS level was very high. It was in the range of 200 and 300. There was no problem actually. The issue was with the TDS controller. See, what is TDS controller? It allows some raw water also to pass. See, in the areas where there is municipal water supply, when the input TDS is already low, in that case if you use the RO, then the output TDS becomes very low, 10, 20, which is not good because there is no mineral. Okay, so in that areas the TDS controller helps. So if you loosen the TDS controller, then it will allow some raw water also to pass, so that the effective TDS becomes higher in the range of 50. Okay, but in our area we have the hard water and the input TDS is very high, so TDS controller was not having any role. So what I did is I tightened the TDS controller 100%. Okay, so there is no raw water being passed, everything is the pure filtered water from the RO. Okay, so with that the effective TDS became 41, which is great, which is ideal. Okay, so let me tell you some pros and the cons about this RO. So the first thing is the output TDS is good, 41, below 50 is good. Okay, second thing is the taste of the water is very good. The third thing is the storage tank capacity is massive, it is 15 liter. Okay, the fourth thing is it has a water level indicator, so we can see how much water is there in the filter. Okay, and the fifth thing is the filtration speed is very high. So we observed it, we never ran in short of the water. It is able to fill the tank much faster. And the sixth thing is it doesn't has any electric button. The tap which is given, it is a mechanical tap. Okay, even if there is no electricity we can operate it. This tap can be operated in two ways. If you want to dispense a small amount of water, then you can press it like this. If you want the continuous water, then you can keep it like this. Okay, and also this tap is having one cap also, so when you are not using it or in the night hours, you can just close it. So no mosquito or anything will go inside. And the next is the operation is pretty silent, it doesn't make noise. Now let's discuss about the cons about this RO. So one thing is the input line was leaking, so I made it direct. Instead of using the channel which they have given, I made it direct. Okay, so you don't have to worry about this. If you're going for the brand installation, then they will take care of all those things. And the second thing is the overall shell, the outer shell is not very strong. Even I'm not getting confidence to make it wall mount, although we can do it as per the specification, and they have also given the placeholders. So these are the only two problems which I observed. So in my final verdict, see, if you're looking for a best value for money product, you can definitely go for this RO. If you don't have a money constraint, then you can always go for a mature brands, so they will also work. But whether or not you are having money constraint, if you want to buy the best value for money product, then definitely go for it. And anyhow, it is a returnable product. In your area, if the TDS level is even more, and if this product doesn't work, then you can always return it. Okay, so you can buy with confidence without any hesitation. That's it for this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel for more such videos. Thank you.